How's it, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be going over all the different coins. First off, I want to go over Bitcoin and see exactly where we're going to go with them today. I will be going over some other setups as well, like Solana, some dots, XRP. There is a few setups that I'm looking at within today. But let's have a look at here at Bitcoin. Okay, so first off, we want to have a look at the daily time frame. The weekly time frame would be better actually. So let's remove all the drawings. See what we got here. Okay. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Okay. So you can see the weekly candle actually did close bearish, but it did close respecting this level here. Okay, so we did close respecting this low at 25,900. Okay, zoom in here. You can see we didn't close below here. Okay, which is obviously a good thing in terms of if you're looking at the bullish side of things. Because if this closes bearish below here, then we were probably expecting more downside. Okay, so on the daily time frame also closing a bullish. But the problem is here, when you look at this, we have this level here. You just remove everything here. This level here over here, right? The price is respecting this zone, okay? If you look at this, this is the, what level is this? Around about the 26,500 zone, okay? And what's important to note here is that we have not closed above here on the daily time frame. So if price actually closes above this level on the daily time frame, then I would be like, okay, we can look for longs within there. But this is more bearish because this just looks like a retest for price to carry on coming down further. Okay. You have to look at a neutral view because if price closed above here, then we could look at bullish indications. But if price goes respecting, then this is what we could see happening. Okay, more downside. Yeah. So the daily time frame still not as bullish as we would expect, but it is. I mean, we'd have to close above here. Okay. Then if you look at this right now, okay, what we want to do is we want to take this volume profile. So what this does is take it from the high to the low. Okay. And this will give you your point of control. Okay. So basically what that is, it's where the most volume has been traded within this area. And you can see it's this area here. Okay. What happens every single time we touch this zone, we get rejected, right? Rejected, rejected, rejected. And yesterday on Sunday we had that little rally, then we did get rejected. Okay. In order for us to take some positions here, we need to wait for price to obviously close above this level. Okay. Once we start closing above 26,138, it's 120 above this point, what I'll do is I'll just put a line there so we know exactly where it is. 26,100. Okay. Once we close above there, that would be a good indication to actually look for some more long positions. But until then, we might just be bearish here. Yeah. So if you look at this as well, Bitcoin is respecting these lows here. We do have a little bit of a trend line that has been holding up over here. Had a little fake out there respecting this zone. So if Bitcoin closes below this trend line, I'll be looking at sells. But once we start closing above 26,100, then I'll be looking at buys, and this could pump us back up to the zones of 27K. Okay. At the moment, quite neutral. But yeah, that's Bitcoin. Let's go with Solana. Oh, missed this. Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at this trade. This would have been beautiful. I was looking at longs here, back up to these highs. Got a closure above here. Retested this. Looks beautiful. Longs. So yeah, that was the setup that I actually did give in the Discord, but I didn't actually take it. Yeah. If you look at the 15 minutes, Yeah, so if it starts closing back below this level here at 16.619, then we could look at sells. But let's have a look here. It's getting rejected at the moment on the 5. Yeah. I mean, if we look at the 4 hour, 4 hour did close bullish here. But it closed respecting this zone here. This just could be a fake out to the upside, which is obviously something. But that long position we're looking at earlier, just so let's see if price closes above this level, we can look at longs back up to these highs. But if price doesn't, we look at shorts back down to these lows. Okay, that's Solana. Bitcoin. Okay, Litecoin also very interesting. Like I was saying earlier, we've gone over this in previous videos, but basically I was looking at bars above 64.73. But we need to see that 4 hour closure because basically this level here, the rejection zone, okay? And you can see within that last candle, we got rejected from that area. So we need price to obviously close above there to take some long positions. But until then, can't really take position. Yeah. So but once we start closing above 64.73, then we can look at some longs. Okay. But yeah, it's all about being patient at the moment. I mean, market isn't really giving too much for positions. We do have to just wait within today. Urge. I was looking at these longs yesterday, but Dogecoin is looking very choppy. I don't want to go with Dogecoin; it's just looking too choppy at the moment. Chainlink actually had a little rally there, so we took those sells last week. Looking quite bullish. 4 hour. So looking at Chainlink on the 4 hour, see that price has already broken this level here, and it's the daily. Okay, so on the 4 hour, getting rejected from this support over here. Okay, this is the level. Okay, getting rejected from that zone. We need to see price obviously close back above the zone, and then we can take some longs back up to these highs. Yeah, but yeah, at the moment, like the market is very neutral. I will be posting all these setups, Telegram. But yeah, currently, there's not much really to look at here. Market is very, very undecided. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, it's looking bearish, to be honest. I was expecting price to tap into this 1890, 189 area just because of we had the support over here. You can still see that within today, but currently just need to be patient here. We did break structure, so I'll be waiting for a little bit of retracement. Then we can look at some sells back down to these lows. Yeah, we'll wait for that. Today I'm just being patient because the market isn't really giving that much opportunities. So just make sure that you guys are active today. I will be posting some videos in the Telegram. But yeah, this is basically what I'm looking at today. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys. We do have a live stream later, so make sure you tune in for that. And yeah, I'll see you then.